Now, let me show you how you can lock your iPhone screen in a way that it doesn't respond to touch. Well, this is actually a feature which is part of the settings when you proceed to accessibility like that. And at the bottom of this accessibility menu, you should find guided access. And there is a toggle which enables it, so make sure it is turned on if you have never used it before. And the guided access is essentially a feature which can lock one app in a place, and you can also disable things like the touching, right? So now that the guided access is enabled, what we can do is essentially make sure you also have the accessibility shortcut enabled if you want, of course, however you like it. But now we just get to the app we want to lock the touch inside. For example, I'm going to go to the photos where I want to lock the app, right? And what I can do is actually trigger the guided access. It is triggered by triple clicking the power button on the right side. So I'm going to do it like this, triple click right in here, click on a guided access. And then now, before we start the guided access, we click on a session settings below and we can disable the touch, right? So essentially what it does is that when I start the option in here, when I click on a start, I have to type in a code. So that's the usual stuff. I'm going to set up a new one. And now I have started the guided access. So essentially the phone will not respond to touch. You can see what's going on the screen, but it basically does nothing, right? So if you play a video or do something, you can lock your screen like this. And if you want to get outside of that, you turn off the guided access again by triple clicking the side button like this. You turn off guided access, type in your code, and now click on end. And now the phone works as normal. So this is a very useful feature. I have used it a couple of times. So let me know what you think about this below. Subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next uploads in the future.